Okay, Foundations 2, Section 2.3, Complementary and Supplementary Angles. Here's the next part of our lesson. We have a theorem right here. So this is a rule, 2.1, Congruent Complements Theorem. And it says if two angles are complementary to the same angle, or to congruent angles, then they are congruent. So you should fill in the blank with congruent right here. And it says if angle 4 and angle 5 are complementary, so if you look at our diagram, they're saying 4 and 5 have to add up to 90. And then they tell me 6 and 5 are complementary. So 6 and 5 add up to 90. Then that tells me that 4 and 6 have to be exactly the same thing. Okay, looking at our next theorem, theorem 2.2, this is called the congruence supplements theorem. So now it says if two angles are supplementary to the same angle or to congruent angles, then they are congruent. You should be writing congruent right here in the blank. If angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary, so that means if I added 1 and 2 together, they'd add up to 180. And it says angle 2 and angle 3 are also supplementary. So if I add these guys up, they're going to be 180. If that's true, then we know angle 1 and angle 3 have to be the exact same angle. They're going to be congruent. All right, let's go ahead and put these two theorems to use. Take a look at them in some examples. On our worksheet that we're going to get.